Welcome back to Bavarian Motorworks driver. I've got a bit of a problem with the car. It's not highly noticeable, but upon diagnosing I'm getting this error. Now there's not a lot on YouTube or on any forums about this error, hence me making this video. So I'll show you what's happening. Read error memory. There you go. 41AA Ladedruckfuehler. I believe that is the map sensor, which is this little device that sits in the inlet manifold. So I believe that is what's causing this problem. You can clean it. I mean, mine I've cleaned to high hell with the carb cleaner and make sure it's not blocked or anything, and hasn't made a difference. This error still comes back. So I'm going to show you how to change that. So let's get to it. So first of all, I want to open the bonnet. Bonnet is now open. I'm going to put this laptop to one side. I'll disconnect the cable, I think. Don't know why I got the door closed in here. I'm absolutely boiling. I've got to get out of it. Turn the ignition off. Oops. So then what you want to do is you want to take off the engine cover 10mm bolt, make sure it's in reverse. There's normally more than this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but mine's only got 4. Which isn't a big deal, to be honest. So put the cover out of the way. And there it is. That's the map sensor that's causing the problem. The loud on Druckfuehler error. So simply just disconnect. And you can just lift it out. Just lift it out. It's an easy job. Get a new one. New one in. There you go. Put your plug back in, and that's it. After that, what you want to do is you want to delete the fault code, and then basically take it for a spin and rescan it again. So let's put the cover back on. Oh bloody hell, this one don't want to go back on, does it? Come on. There we go. Right, there you go. Cover's back on. And then what you want to do, I'll document this while I'm at it. So what you want to do then, pick up this really old brick-like laptop I've got here. Just plug the cable back in. You want to, let's go back. Okay, this transmission was disturbed, yeah, we know that. So let's come out of that. Open it back up. Put the ignition on. F4. Engine. M57. 57. Error memory. Read error memory. Still there. F2. Clear error memory. Okay, that's clear. So just read it again. Okay, no errors found. That's it, that's done at this point. Take it for a spin and rescan it, see if the error's gone, or if it comes back then obviously there's going to be another issue somewhere else. So that's it for that video. I hope that's going to help somebody, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again.